Okay guys, here's a 3D rendering to size and scale for the kitchen. So we've pushed our wall out, 9-foot wall here for the fridge, and just starting on this corner. These fridge legs, to give it an enclosed look, since you guys have a deep fridge, this is 28 inches to here, which typically covers up the case. So just the edge of the door will stick out, and depending on which model it needs to, so it'll clear when you open. And this is a shaker alder stained panel here, and this fridge is just a slab panel since you have cabinets dying into it. Standard cabinet next to it, Lazy Susan in the corner, upper cabinets that go to the ceiling, shaker doors, cove crown molding that goes to the ceiling, terminates at the ceiling. Narrow stack of drawers, trash rollout, dishwasher, your sink centered on the window, a second Lazy Susan in the corner. And these upper cabinet doors are bound together, so this is all an open cabinet. A spice pull out to the left of the range, a tray divider here, obviously that handle would be on the other side. And this cabinet would be utilized for cutting board, cookie sheet storage, microwave mounted under this cabinet that sticks out about 2 inches further than these 12-inch deep uppers. A big drawer stack for pots and pans. A third Lazy Susan. A standard cabinet, adjustable shelf in here, drawer stack, and the upper cabinets, which the bottom of the cabinet would come down about 18 inches from the ceiling. Glass doors with doors on this side. The insides of these cabinets would be stained and sealed with lacquer. The rest is a white melamine interior. And then we would put, if you wanted, a glass panel with a wood frame on the back. I wouldn't do doors on the back because there would be so much hinge hardware on the inside of that cabinet. And the back of this is a shaker panel. This door opens up this way, and then this peninsula run is shaker panel on here. So this is a pretty decent sized kitchen. There's a lot of linear feet of uppers and base cabinets, but that is what we've got so far. And these uppers are set back, so the back of these uppers are in line with the back of the peninsula. So take a look at this, let me know what you think, and if that works, we can keep moving forward. All right, thanks guys.